Okay, find the most general antiderivative of the function that you see here. So for finding antiderivative, we're trying to rewrite the function in a form that we can use different rules. So it is a good idea if we rewrite it as 3 sine of x minus x to the fourth over x to the seventh plus, because we have minus and minus here, 4x over x to 7. And then we can rewrite it or simplify it as 3 sine of x. And following the power rules, which says when you have same bases, different powers, you can write one of the bases and subtract the power. So we're going to use this rule here. We're going to have -3 plus 4x to -6. Now for finding f of x, capital F of x, which is antiderivative, we think of a function. If we take derivative, we would have sine. That would be cosine, but we need a negative here, because if we take derivative of cosine, that would be negative sine. So we need another negative here to cancel that negative. Minus, for powers of x, like x to a, when we want to take derivative, we are going to do subtraction from the power 1 unit. But when we are going to find antiderivative, we would add that power over the number that we have written. So we would use this rule here. So we're going to have x to the power -3 plus 1, which is -2 over the same number, plus 4. Same idea here, x to power -6 plus 1, which is -5 over the same number. And we usually write plus a constant c because we may have a number here that after taking derivative, it is gone. So let's simplify this to -3 cosine of x plus x to the power 2. We usually don't keep negative powers, so we move it here. We have 2 and we have positive, because negative would be positive. And also for the next one, -4 over 5 x power +5 plus c is the answer. Next question is about solving the initial value problem. It is also antiderivative, so when we have dy dx equals 100 times e to 3x, we're going to find y of x as the antiderivative. So we would write the coefficient here. And for e to the power of something, we would copy that here. But think of taking derivative. If you want to take derivative of e to 3x, we're going to have 3e to 3x. But for antiderivative, we don't want this 3b here. So we're going to divide by this number to cancel that, and plus c as usual. So in order to find c, we are going to use the initial value that we have here. So y of 0 is 100 times e to 0 over 3 plus c, which is equal to 50 according to the question. So 100 over 3, because e to 0 is 1, plus c is 50. From here, we're going to have 50 minus 100 over 3, which is 3. 150 minus 100 is going to be 50 over 3. Back to the original one, we're going to replace for c. So y of x would be 100 times e to 3x over 3 plus 50 over 3.